Lili Bank Review. Is it the best business bank for SMB and creators? So, Lili Bank is an online banking platform designed for freelancers, small business owners, and creators. It combines banking with smart financing tools like expense tracking, automated savings, and task management. Lili positions itself as a modern alternative to traditional banks. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, there are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. It has a built-in tax tools and expense management. They have an early direct deposit where you can get paid up to 2 days faster. They have a Visa Business Debit Card with fee-free withdrawals at 30,000 ATMs. And it's designed for freelancers, creators, and SMBs with tailored tools. The cons though, it is online only. There's no physical branches. The cash deposits are also limited. There's also no credit products like loans or lines of credit. And some advanced features requires a paid plan. So overall, it is a great choice for freelancers, creators, and SMB owners who want a simple, fee-free digital banking solution with smart management money tools.